An excellent autumn job to carry out is refreshing composting containers. The reason behind this is that compost will standard have about 6-week life of nutritional value. After that, we then have to start watering it with a liquid feed. Another reason is that after a couple of years, the compost will start to lose its structure inside the container. So that's when it's really good for us to repurpose it, take it away, and then put a fresh compost in there. Here I've got an Aguilegia Norobala, which is a beautiful, delicate little flower, but it's been in here a little while and I've got the feeling that that structure inside is a little bit poor. So I'm going to refresh it. Now, I'm not just going to refresh it with any odd compost. I'm going to use something new to me today, actually, which is the Kelpie compost. I've got some of it here. Now, this Kelpie compost, I've never used such a fine, fluffy compost in my life. I'm actually quite surprised as I'm running my fingers through it here. Not only that this has seaweed through it, and a lot of liquid feeds contain seaweed. So by my assumption, I'm hoping that I can repot this with some of this Kelpie compost, but also reduce the liquid feed that I'll have to do later on in the year. And therefore that I'll be saving the single plastic use that these plastic bottles come in. So hopefully it's a more sustainable way of gardening.